on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This video will not be a hair tutorial. I'm actually going to go get my hair done today. It will be a video on that, but yeah, look out for that. Don't pay attention to this because right now we about to focus on skincare. All right. So I don't know if you guys ever heard of Five and Below. Five and Below is a store where literally nothing is over $5. You can find, like, for my people that's in college living in the dorms, they got room decorations. They have everything you need. Phone cases, they got sandals, they got shirts, they have literally everything, and nothing is over $5. So today I wanted to try this kind of mud. It's called yeah. Hopefully, I don't know. But basically what this is, it's a pore cleansing paint mud mask and brush set. $5. Let me see if it's I don't know if y'all see that. $5, y'all. So, let's get to it. All right, so let's see what's in this little, figure out how to open it. Pop the lid like a paint can. Why would I do that? Okay, let's see. All right, I use the pen. Use what you got to get what you want. Not that way. Okay, so basically, here goes some instructions that came on top of the pop can. Okay. Some few instructions, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what comes in this little paint jar. It's real cute too. Let's see. So you get your purifying charcoal. Comes in a little 4 fluid ounce little jar. And then you get your little paintbrush. So let's see what this mud is looking like. I already got some on my nose. It literally smells like clay. So what you want to do is take the brush, dip it in the clay. Oh. I can say I like this. I don't know how the product is yet. We're gonna see when it dries up. But I think this whole setup is really cute. And I think it's easier to apply because usually, I don't know if you guys ever opened the, like if you ever bought the black charcoal mask, and like that stuff, trying to do that with your hand, I know I've seen a lot of people use it with brushes, but when I tried to use it with a brush, seemed like it was more on the brush and wasn't getting on my face. This is really, you guys, $5 for a good spa treatment type situation. Y'all, I'm so focused on making this look pretty. And really, you don't have to use a lot of product. It kind of stays in the brush, like it smooths out. I'm just gonna dip a little more. Cover my mouth, y'all. Get this little section. I really don't know if this like a peel off mask or you just let me continue reading the instructions. But like if you are using a hard peel off mask that get hard and you have to peel it off, do not, I repeat, do not put it on your eyebrows. Your eyebrows will come off with it. Not unless you're just trying to get rid of your eyebrows. You guys, it feels so good on my face. I think that's enough. This little area. Yo, like this feel pretty good. So let me see what this instruction says. Okay, so create a fun, colorful look with multiple mud mask paint colors. So I'm guessing they got more paint colors and I just end up getting the gray. So, okay. So obviously they have available colors. They come in 4 colors: lavender, blue, green, and the charcoal. So I got the charcoal color. So all right, so you're just supposed to target certain areas. I just put it on my face. It's not saying like, I don't think this stuff is not going to get hard, but I've tried other products on my face and it just seems like it makes my face burn. Not the black peel mask is really good too. I use that. I was putting that on my face every other day and I was getting a lot of compliments. But yeah, look at all I need is cucumbers on the eyes. For about 10 minutes just till all the like wet spots were like dried up. It feels really smooth. I shouldn't do that, but it feels really smooth, you guys. Like, it's not bad for $5, but let's try and like wash this off. Okay, you guys, so now it's time for, oh my gosh, like, let me wash this off. Let's wash it off. I'm gonna take some warm water. I started off with a clean face. I didn't include that in the beginning, but yeah, start off with clean face and apply this mud mask on. You guys, don't look at my hair. You know, my time is coming. My time is coming. Okay, let's see. I left my washcloth still a little damp. Circular motion. And you guys, I don't know why, but like my face been breaking out lately. So I don't expect for this to like work in 10 minutes, but I just want to give you guys a review on how it makes my face feel. It easily washes off. Wipes off easily. It did get a little hard on my face, but I guess that's only because it was drying up. But for a $5 mud mask, it's not that bad. But what I am going to do is give you guys an update on how my face feels after using this back to back to back. Just make sure all of it is off. Like I said, I started with a clean face. And To be honest, my face feel like it's breathing. Like, I never get this feeling after I wash my face and I wash my face. Like, I use soap and then I use She moisturizer on my face. She, whatever it's called. But, you know, usually my face feel like this after I put a product on it. And without any product, it really feel like it's like opened. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for watching this video, and hope you guys have a good week. It's the weekend, so do that. All right, bye you guys.